Good morning. What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Marlins, Martin Investment Group, and Martin Stock Club. These are three stocks I'm watching for today. And of course, we trade a ton of different stocks, live option callouts, live classes, live trading in the Discord. Links in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe as always. So let's get to it, man. Meta's been selling off like crazy. I mean, we zoom out, we see this such a fabulous company. Deep sell-off, definitely way oversold on probably any time frame you look at. I'm looking at going to the upside today because, and it can keep dropping, but it's why we wait on triggers. We see we haven't made any new highs. And we finally starting to kind of bottom out, it looks like. And I say that because of the size of the candle. We had a really small candle here. And I'm thinking with that smaller candle, we are finally kind of stabilizing, hopefully. So maybe today, we'll get a little pop back up, just a little pull back before we continue dropping down. We can come back and retest, hopefully the 95 area on just a big green candle. The market will fake you out and you'll think it's going back up and then it'll drop back down. But because of that, I'm gonna set an alert for a break of the high from yesterday, which was 90.46. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my alert for 90.47. With this, just watch the 90.50. Matter of fact, nah, I'm gonna leave it. Just watch that 90.50. I would say really want to wait and break 90.50, maybe 90.51 would be an alert. Just so that it's not going to reject that 90.50 level, because we know that is a level people probably have a lot of orders sitting at. Next is MRO. Oil has been doing a number lately, right? Oil and energy have been going crazy. We have this big bullish engulfing candle that takes out a lot of candles. So this candle right here, it came and engulfed. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like a weekly engulfing candle on a daily, on one day. All right, so huge bullish movement there. I'm gonna set an alert for a break of the high. High was 31.57, so I'm gonna take 31.58. I'm gonna see if we get some bullish continuation. This will probably be a quick day trade, a quick scalp, because I'm not sure how much higher it will go. But this is one of those trades I'll take, go up 20% or so. It's 0 DTE Friday, so we can get a quick move, make some money, not try to shoot for the moon, but of course, leave a couple of runners just in case we do push up and test that about 33.50 area. That would be our high, 33.24, sorry to be exact. So testing that is an opportunity. And then last for the YouTube video is LLY, right? Inside day, big bullish move up, a little pullback. Now it's back up here. So I'm gonna set my alert for this high, 363.93 will be my move, 363.93. And these are not immediate entry triggers. What I do when these go off, is I come pull up the chart and then I'll check it to see if it's gonna hold. So ultimately what I want to see is it hit 363, maybe hit 364, right? Hit 364, pull back after making a new high, a little pull back on the 5 minute, on the 3 minute, on the 1 minute, and then enter for the continuation to make a higher move up, right? So that's it. That's the watch list. As always, links in the bio to join the Discord, where we call out these trades all the time. To get watch lists sent to your email with stocks besides these, links in the bio for that as well. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. Have a great trading day.